Welcome to 30A Price's Court. This charming 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, duplex patio home with updated LVP flooring inside and a 2-car parking pad. Sits on a cul-de-sac in the Harbison area of Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-26, Harbison Dining and Shopping, Lake Murray, as well as nearby Irmo and downtown Columbia. So right out front, as we mentioned, you do have a 2-car parking pad out front. You can see the home sits on a cul-de-sac as well. And then you have a nice sidewalk here up to the front entry. It's in the Harbison community, which is a neighborhood that has access to walking trails and a rec center as well. And there also is a nearby place called Harbison Forest where you can do hiking, and they have trails as well. So you enter the home into the living room. You can see you have a bit of luxury vinyl plank flooring and the entry. Nice bay window at the front out to the front yard, and the side window here as well. It's a nice sized room. You have a ceiling fan, and it's open to what can be a dining area off the kitchen as well. Here you can see there is a pass through to the kitchen itself. Kitchen also has the updated luxury vinyl plank flooring. And you have wood cabinets in here and blue countertops. You have a stainless steel refrigerator, and then an electric stove, as well as a dishwasher here. And on this side you have your full-size washer dryer connections and the laundry closet. You have some built-in shelving above. There's some small wire shelving on the wall there also. And then access via the back door to the outdoor space. It's out back. You have a small patio off the back of the unit, and it backs up to sort of a utility easement area with some power lines going through it, but can't really see those so much necessarily. But you do have nice privacy back here, which is why I mentioned that. So there's no other housing directly behind you, and likely won't be because of that utility easement that's back there. We can get a bit more light here for you. You can see there's a storage room also off the back patio. Gives you some additional storage space there as well. So head back inside, and as we head down the hall here, you see you have 3 bedrooms off the hall. There's an attic pull down. There's some possible storage in there. Utility closet to the left. Actually, this is just a normal coat closet, pardon me. So you have just a normal coat closet there, but that one is a utility closet. And then you have your flooring updated in here as well. Single vanity in the countertop, strip lighting above. Then you have a shower and tub. And of course, this is the hall bathroom that 2 of the secondary bedrooms would share. And actually, I was incorrect. This is indeed a linen closet. So again, more storage space that you can never have enough of. And then 3 bedrooms off the hall also. This is first of 3. So you have a small closet opposite the window. A lot of these patio homes have 2 bedrooms instead of 3, so this one does give you that additional space for a guest or an office, or just if you need 3 bedrooms for kids or whatever the case may be. Second bedroom with a much larger closet. And then last but not least, you have your primary suite, and you can see it is probably maybe the largest of the 3 rooms. A bit recessed behind the wall there, but on this opposite wall you have a small walk-in closet, and then last but not least, a private bathroom with a single vanity and a small shower. So that completes our tour of this home, 30A Price's Court in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.